Hello friends. One of the very significant topic in GS-3 internal security section is linkages between development and spread of extremism. Now, if you want to analyze this topic, you have to do it on two fronts. First, how underdevelopment or lack of development leads to rise of extremism, and the second is how extremism in an area leads to underdevelopment in that area. Now if you take the first thing, that is underdevelopment or lack of development leads to extremism, some of the examples which you can provide is, for example, economic backwardness of an area, all right, giving rise to Naxalism in that area. For example, Dantewada, Bastar, they are extremely backward area, all right. Second, political marginalization or lack of political development may lead to extremism. Example is Northeast insurgency. Now, if we see the another aspect, that is extremism leading to underdevelopment. Here you can provide examples such as nobody is willing to invest, or private investment will not happen in extremist affected area. Foreign investment will not come in that area. Second, extremists target infrastructure project, which leads to infrastructure deficit in that area. Another examples which you can provide is that the funds which could have been utilized for welfare is now diverted to security related aspects. Now, once we have understood this, how to break this linkage? This we can do by taking multi-pronged approach. All right, that is, we have to take development aspects into consideration as well as security related aspects into the consideration. Friends, the government of India, while fighting Naxalism in the country, has taken these two approaches: development approach as well as security related approach. I hope that you have got enough idea of it. Thank you.